Hello again, I'm Brother G. Today I'm posting the unboxing of the K90 Extreme Edition for you. I posted the review yesterday. The packaging is still the classic style. Inside there's a phone case. I think the quality of this case is quite good. It's basically the same as the K90 Max case. It's very sturdy and has a nice texture. Also, there's a small brush included for cleaning dust out of the fan. Actually, it is waterproof, so I think you can just rinse it directly. Now, this is the phone itself. We will look at it later. Down here is the charging brick and the data cable. This is a 100-watt charger with a Type-A port, so that is about it. Please do not lose this data cable, as it is the one that supports the 100-watt fast charging. If you use another one, you will not be able to activate the 100-watt charging, so please take good care of these accessories. All right, let's take a look at the phone now. Okay. Ta-da! The front features a flat screen with large rounded corners, which makes it feel better when gaming. The sides have a matte, frosted metal frame, and the overall build quality is quite good. The back seems to be made of fiberglass, and right here, there is a large physical cooling fan. The cooling effect is actually quite okay. See that? If you are familiar with the K90 Max, you will find that these two phones look really similar. See that? This is what the front looks like. And now let's look at the sides. Except for the color, they are almost identical. See that? Now look at the back. But the design of the front's air vent is different. Personally, I think the K90 Ultra's air vent design is more refined and looks better. Let's look at the sides. And the top has these Bose-tuned speakers, see? Bose-tuned speakers, symmetrical dual speakers, just like that. The twin stars of the gaming world, do you like them?